Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your Apple Watch is paired to your iPhone, on your wrist, and charged at least 50. Open Settings on the watch or tap the Watch app on your iPhone to start signing in. You need your Apple ID email and password handy because the process will prompt verification immediately. Once done with these checks, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so the devices communicate smoothly before you proceed to add the account. Now you enter credentials. Tap the Apple ID sign in Entry on the Watch or in the Watch app account pane on your iPhone. Type your email and password carefully. Use the iPhone keyboard or scribble on the watch if needed. If two-factor authentication appears, follow the prompt, enter the code on the watch or confirm on your trusted device, because this secures your account. Once verified, grant permissions for iCloud services, health, and Find My so the watch syncs data and features correctly. Finish by allowing the watch to sync. You'll see iCloud and health data populate and App Store access enabled. If Sign installs, restart the watch and your iPhone, then retry, because temporary glitches often clear with a reboot. Make sure Apple's system status shows no outages before deeper steps. If problems persist, reset network settings or sign out and back into your Apple ID on the iPhone. That refreshes tokens and usually resolves persistent authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.